guys, hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about enamel. So let's start it. At first we can say enamel forms a protective covering over the entire surface of a tooth. So let's see the diagram. Here you can see the longitudinal section of a molar tooth. So here you can see various layers, that is the enamel uppermost layer. Below the enamel there is dentin and innermost layer, that is pulp. Here you can see the pulp cavity, here the nerve, blood vessel, etc. are present, and the uppermost layer is called the enamel. Here you can see, if you imagine, there is gum. Over the gum, that is the crown portion, crown. Here you can see the crown portion. Below the gum, that is called as root. So what it says, enamel forms a protective cover over the entire surface of the crown. So it forms a protective covering over the entire surface of the crown. So this entire surface of the crown which forms a protective covering called as enamel. So then if we discuss about functions of enamel, the functions of enamel is to form a resistant by covering the teeth. So it covering the teeth and form a resistant. And another is to make teeth suitable for mastication, and enamels also helps the teeth for mastication. So these are the basic functions of enamel. Now if we discuss enamels helps in the mastication, then mastication, if there will be a good mastication, there will be a good digestion. If we have good digestion, there will be a good metabolism in our body. If there is a good metabolism in our body, तो हम लोग को एक गुड एंड हेल्थी लाइफ मिलेगा. तो यह तो कोई बुक्स में तो नहीं लिखा है, मैं जस्ट ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ. तो अच्छा मैस्टिकेशन होगा, एनामेल अच्छा होगा, तो दिन अच्छा मैस्टिकेशन की वजह से डाइजेशन भी तुम्हारा अच्छा होगा, दिन मेटाबॉलिज्म उसके साथ हेल्थ लाइफ भी अच्छा होगा. सो एक्चुअली जितना अच्छा आपका एनामेल ठीक ठाक रहेगा, जितना आप क्लीन करोगे, हेल्दी रहोगे, तो आपका लाइफ ही उतना हेल्दी रहेगा. सो ये हो गया एनामेल के बेसिक्स इन्फो. आप अब जानेंगे इसका प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में. So guys, in the left side you can see the physical characteristics, features of enamel, and the right side there are chemical properties. At first we are going to discuss about the physical characteristics of enamel. So maximum thickness at cusp we can see 2 to 2.5 millimeters. So maximum thickness of enamel where we can see in the cusp of premolars and molars, which is all about 2 to 2.5 millimeter. Then the specific gravity of enamel 2.8. Temperature resistant 5 to 13 Hz. These all are important point, guys. Every time they comes in exams. So electrical resistance 10 to the 15 to 10 to the 5 ohm. Permeability, it is a semi-permeable. And color, if we discuss about the color of enamel, there is yellowish white to grayish white, a range. Then transmission coefficient in at 5 to 5 nanometer there is 0.481 per millimeter transmission coefficient. So we discuss about the physical characteristics, and now we discuss about the chemical properties. So inorganic materials 96% and organic substance 4%. Now if we discuss about the inorganic materials, there are sodium, magnesium, carbon, oxygen, calcium, phosphate, etc. present, but the most important thing is hydroxyapatite crystals. This comes in many times in exam, and you also have to know the formula of it. Ca10PO4 OH 4 whole 2. Okay guys, so this is the formula. Here you can see a bracket. So 96% inorganic, and main point of inorganic that is present hydroxyapatite crystals. Formula of it is very important, Ca10PO4 whole 6 OH4 whole 2. Then organic substance, 4% organic substance present in enamel, and in organic substance there are unique proteins are present, amylogenins and non-amylogenins. Then amylogenins and non-amylogenins also divide into 90:10% ratio. Amylogenins are hydrophobic, low molecular weight, like proline, histidine, glutamine proteins contains. And in non-amylogenins, in 10% non-amylogenins, there are enamelin, taftilin, amyloblastin, various high molecular weight protein are present, like glycine, serine. So these are all physical characteristic properties and chemical properties of enamel, and some basic info about enamel. So this is all to today's topic guide. So goodbye and see you again.